I'm Indranil Shah, coming from West Bengal State, District Darjeeling, and the city of Siliguri. It's great pleasure for me to attend the ZIIEI program in this New Delhi. And I've got this idea from social networking site, that is Facebook, and it's great pleasure for me to view the program, attend the program, and giving some words on the basis of these zero innovative programs. And during the classes and in other sectors of life, and when we go through some different processes, and there one thing is day by day gradually increasing, that is the patience of the human being as well as the students deteriorating day by day, and deterioration coming from their morality, that is moral values is not in proper way. Due to lack of these moral values, different uneven things or different problem arises inside the school as well as society or throughout the social economic culture of the India, that is our nation, as well as the world. And to revive or to overcome this lack of morality, we have to take the lesson of the moral education. And from where we get the moral education lesson? All these lessons present in this world through our nation by our local heroes or the national heroes and freedom fighter. Even in present life, different players and different social worker, from all them we can get or achieve the moral values. And if there is no morality or moral values, then the society will destroying gradually, and lot of different uneven parameter arises in this society. In present context, we are getting, that is the Shaheen Bagh event in Delhi, and lot of person, that is nearly 38% killed by the other peoples. If there is a morality or moral education, if they learn this one from their school days, at least that moral values stop them to throw the stones on the police personnel or kill the other person like this. So I am very thankful to Sri Aurobindo Society as well as the partner, that is the HDFC Bank through Rupantar, that in terminology using. And in this concern, that is our government, central government as well as the state government, it is not possible to cope or overcome all the problem arises in education system by singly. And so I thank to Aurobindo Society, which was founded by the Sri Aurobindo and the mother Mira Alfasa, and both of them try to overcome all the others event by the spirituality. And this is the home of spirituality, and this Therapant Bhavan, we are getting this one too much good atmosphere. And one app is already launched, that is the Innovative Pathshala, and we have got a lot of information from Innovative Pathshala, that is how we have to train the student, as well as if we are getting the new ideas, then we can share these ideas by the videos in that app. So we will very grateful to this program, and we are waiting for also next time.